At Mobility Solutions, Chris is playing games again.
I'm gonna mess with Scott and Lewy. Watch. Look at the chair. See it moving?
I'm seeing it all right. That chair's easing back like it's got a mind of its own.
The remote part right there, cord's not snagged or nothing.
Is that you, Chris? Huh? No, I was on the phone with a customer.
Hey, I'm Brandon with AffordableMedicalUSA.com, and we're gonna go over this chair. I know what's going on.
Huh?
I already got it. I already figured it out. So this chair is being controlled from inside this office over here. There's a guy smiling at me right now, leaning me back. Look, controller.
Finally, we had to get Eddie. We told him a customer his size was interested in this chair, so we needed him to display how well the chair could fit him.
That's a good TV position for you.
Yeah, this is it. If I'm watching TV, this is the way I watch TV, in my chair.
Yeah.
Right? How you doing out there in TV land? This is the way I would sit in this chair watching TV. As a matter of fact, I have a chair just like this. And why is it moving? Oh, okay, got it.
Your controller,
What
but you gotta put it down so it doesn't do that. Yeah, it has like this palm reader in the.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, so it's trying to get your body.
See what it,
Because you just touched.
I didn't touch it.
Trying to get it knows how your body needs.
It's a, oh my God, come on. Why is it doing this?
Because
Who's controlling this?
it's reading your body.
Okay, tell me, is Chris over there with a remote control? Why is it working?
Because your body's
My body's telling it?
it's like a new technology.
Oh my God, new technology. Oh my God. AI, what's going on? It's reading my body what it needs to be done? AI, can you lift me up a little bit? Lift me up, Chris. All right. Okay, I'm a pretzel. Now what?
So what we were doing to you is we were playing with the My Viva app.
My Viva
So there's an app for this chair in the Viva collection. You can actually download the chair to your app and control it with your phone.
Oh my God.
How big would that be? So like, for example, if someone was in a chair, they wanted to get into the chair and it's down, they can't reach the remote, they can go on their phone and put it in the up position, slide over. Or if I was a caretaker and I was making dinner, I can activate it. You can save positions. You can control it completely through here.
That is unbelievable.
Another reason why it could be an advantage to you, if some reason the remote messed up and it was the Thanksgiving Day, Christmas Day, or the business that you bought the chair from was closed, if you have an app setting on your chair, then you can operate through your phone. So there's a lot of benefits to it.
Yeah, I could see that.
Did I get you?
Yeah, you got me. The only reason why I knew it was you is because you're the only one that plays tricks on everybody around here.
Guilty as charged.
So this is a great chair. Now, this is in the medium size, Eddie, and there's actually about 4 different colors. This is the PLR 3955 medium in ocean blue. Did I tell you it has wireless charging port?
No, I did not.
It also has a charging port here, and you also have a cup holder.
One for the beer, one for the phone.
Whatever. However you want to drink a beer, drink a beer. Glass of wine,
Yeah, that's
bourbon.
cool. Very
Power headrest, power lumbar, lace flat, independent adjustment, so you can adjust your feet
It
separate.
is comfortable.
And it comes in a small size, a petite wide size, and a tall.
So this is
4
perfect
sizes.
for my size.
I think so for
Yeah.
you. So if, about 6 foot, I think you would go up to this. A little bit taller, you'd go to the tall. Now there's specs on our website, and you can look at the reviews on it. This is a nice chair, but let's say that you had swelling in your feet and you need to have your feet above your heart. We have another chair called the Ultra. Looks the same, comes in 3 sizes, comes in a different fabric, different material, and then there's 4 different colors to choose from in this material. Then they have a fabric, a brown or gray, and then they have 100% leather like this.
Oh, I see.
And so small, medium, and large. So this gets your feet above your heart. It has an extra motor at the front, Eddie, to tilt
To raise your,
the feet so you elevate your feet higher than what this one does. Now this one goes up pretty high. This one has Bluetooth speakers, so 3D soundscape in it.
wow.
And storage compartments along with the cup holders. All of them have it. but this comes in one size in either the brown leather or the black leather. These are Pride chairs. Now Pride has a bunch of different chairs. They have the Viva collection, which is going to be your independent controls, which is going to look like this. I like to stick with the new Viva styles because the feet come up higher.
Right.
We'll have a couple other chairs coming in here in a little bit that also have the same controls, just the different looks. There's some different looks in the Viva collections that do everything this chair does. Most all Vivas is going to have power pillow, lumbar, adjustable headrest, max, you know, the feet up, recline back, Trentelenberg. Some have tilt, some don't. But Pride also has a sitting pretty collection, which is down here. As you can see, sometimes this can be a lot of buttons. This is a rocker button, but this has a bunch of other buttons to control the power pillow, the lumbar. Obviously you have memory, stuff like that. So there's a lot of buttons on here that can be confusing for some people. If that's the case, check out the Sitting Pretty Evolution collection. This is the LC435. And if you look at it, it has one rocker button. So one control, one motor. But what's cool about this chair and what's different about this chair is it has feet first technology. So feet first technology is most 3-position chairs rotate all together. So you can never really get the back up and the feet out. This chair allows your feet, as you can see, the feet's coming out.
Right.
And the back staying up.
Oh, yeah.
So this is a small. They make this medium and large. And every size goes up 2 inches across the width, different places. You see how it goes?
Right.
Now it goes back.
Oh, I got you.
So I can be here, feet up, watching TV, be comfortable with one rocker button, not a bunch of buttons to press. And if you get in the small, medium, and large, you have USB-C, B, you have a compartment, and you also have a cup holder.
Oh, that's nice.
Yep. This comes in about 5 different colors.
Got it.
So these are going to be your fabrics, where you have a brown, a gray, a blue, there's a red, and then you also have the vinyl. So the vinyl will be a good purchase if someone spilling a lot of stuff or maybe needs vinyl. And if you're looking for a chair, people know if they need to get something that's waterproof without me having to say it. So I'll leave it there. But I do like this chair.
Yeah.
It's just easier for people to remember.
I think it's, you're right about the buttons. This can become a little overwhelming sometimes.
It could for some people. You can still operate it with the rocker button in the middle of that remote, but this gives you the option to get to what most people want, TV watching.
It's also a lift chair? Oh yeah, I see that.
Everything we sell in here are lift recliners. Now, I don't suggest you going to your mother or father. You'll know your mother or father, how they are. A lot of people don't want a lift chair because of the word lift. I tell this to a lot of dealers that I've talked to across the country. If you want someone to try a chair, don't say lift, just say recliner. There's no need for the lift part. The lift part comes into play when they're in the chair and they say it's comfortable. Then you can show them how it lifts you up. You know they need a new recliner. Might as well get in with the lift. But sometimes they'll be like, I don't want a lift chair, I don't need it. It just comes off wrong sometimes. So just tell them, hey mom, hey dad, we're gonna go look at some recliners. Might be a perfect Christmas gift for you. And if you come into us, we kind of know how to approach the situation. We'll get you in the chair, let you try it out, and then we'll tell you about the lift later. So it's good to reword the way you say stuff to keep their mind open-minded. Everyone wants a recliner. And we do have a full selection of recliners from 1 motor up to 5 motors with heat, with air, with Bluetooth technology, with 3D soundscape, with storage compartments, basically everything you need, different fabrics and materials. And we're gonna go over some different chairs for you. If you're watching this, it's Christmas time and you can't figure out what to get your mom or your dad or your grandma or your grandpa, and you wanna get the family in to buy them something cool, something that they can use, check out the lift chairs. And if you can't get it to you in time, we can do a customized video talking about our lift chairs coming to you. So maybe you can get it on the TV or on a phone and say, hey dad,
I have a message from the North Pole from the big man in charge. Oh, hello, Chuck. Santa Claus here.
Up here in the workshop, my elves are putting the finishing touches on a brand new recliner just for you. It's as soft as a cloud and loaded with comforts. Heat to keep you warm.
Watch this. And he watches it, and it has his name, and it shows the chair being built by Santa in the North Pole, really in Pennsylvania or Mississippi. Depends on what manufacturer you buy from. And I think that's a good way of presenting it to them. You know, then you could say, well, it's on the way. So a whole different selection of chairs, and chairs are moving out of here very quick, especially during this time of the year. It's in December 2025. And they're different prices. And there's a lot of information on our website, like I said, at liftchairusa.com, but don't hesitate to call us so we can go over a chair with you. And sometimes we have people in the store your size, we can get them in the chair and see how they feel. Like this one has storage compartments, Twilight technology, dock for your tray, speaker, whatever it might be, wireless charging port. This is in ranch wood, Breeza fabric, cup holders, heat and air massage. It's all in this chair. This has everything. And if you want your feet above your heart, we have a chair that can do it that looks just like this. Comes in 3 sizes, actually 4 sizes. The reason why I'm saying it like that, because Golden just came out with a medium wide series 600 pound in this design, this look that we now have. So someone's higher in weight or needs more room between the arms, you could get up to 29 inches between the arms and have the storage compartments. So let us know. Also comes in medium and small. Down here, we talked about the Evolution collection down there. This is the wide series XXL 600 pound chair. Comes in 3 different fabrics. Comes in this Lexi Clean. Comes in a gray and a brown. This is a large, very large chair. They also make an XL up to 500 pounds. So what I'm getting to, this video is not going to go over all the chairs, but we're showing you what we have. This is a great video. We get phone calls all the time from people that just love watching the lift chair videos because they can't really get out sometimes to stores to shop. We're here to help you. We want to be your local dealer when it comes to lift chairs, at least educate you on the different chairs that we offer that's out there for you. We swing around back to the back side, or actually this is the front side, where our famous PR515, it comes in 2 different sizes, a bunch of different colors. This is displayed in Breeza iron, Breeza coffee bean, but you can get this in Tucker fabric. We have a whole selection of fabrics. If you're ordering now, they could take a while to get to. So take advantage for a customized video. Make sure you get that to us really quick so we can get that in for the Christmas time. Look, we even have American flag one. Now you can't buy that one. That is specially made for me. It's actually made for someone else, but I got to keep it. Coming down here, just to throw this out there to you. This is a 5-motor chair. 5 motors do a lot of stuff. Power pillow, lumbar, tilt, feet above the heart, max, it just does it all. I'm not gonna confuse you. You can get this same chair, actually in this size, without with the power pillow, without the tilt, or without the power pillow, and without the lumbar. So the prices come down. We'll go over that when we're on the phone with you. I do not want to confuse you. We will get a little bit more into lift chairs very, very soon. Sliding down to another awesome chair with a little bit different look to the arm. This is the Easy Sleeper. Now the Easy Sleeper, there are some different sizes and some different features that it comes with. So if you like this look, Easy Sleeper, let me know. And then we could go over if you need the Twilight technology. Do you need the air and heat? If you do, we'll find the right model for you, but it's going to look like this. And then if you want to stay in the value series chairs, these are your standard 3-position chairs that Golden offers in a large, medium, and small. Now this, we have about 4 more chairs coming in. Maybe we'll get a video of those later, but right now, this is, we can fit almost every size person, from medium size like me to extra wide to even little shorties.
Hey, I'm off the clock right now. I'll be back in an hour. This chair right here is about to be mine. Obviously, I know a couple little people, and I get phone calls a lot of messages. Little people wanting to get a lift chair, and they want to know what the smallest chair is. Well, obviously, it might look like this chair swallows me, but it actually works rather well. As somebody that really can benefit from the rejuvenate feature, that's why I decided that I gotta buy this chair, because it really helps my lumbar out. It stretches out in ways that I can't get to. And obviously one of my biggest challenges has been finding furniture that actually fits me right. We got golden chairs for everybody, pretty much. So if you're a little person and you're wondering if it'll work for you, give us a call, send me a message, send Chris a message, and we'll try to find one that'll work, because I believe we got something that'll work for about anybody. If it'll work for me, it'll work for you.
So check us out at liftchairusa.com, or easily just give us a call at 803-926-2224. We'll love to speak to you. If you have a local provider in your area, go in there and shop at the local provider. Golden has dealers all over the country, so does Pride. So there's a lot of places to choose from no matter where you're at. If you're local, come see us at 1812 Sunset Boulevard in West Columbia, South Carolina.
Hey, just a footnote, you don't have to be local. We have people that come from Virginia, we've had people come from Connecticut, Georgia, Tennessee, Florida, Alabama, Mississippi. So you don't have to be local, just saying.
We can ship it to you. Also. We have white glove delivery services. We have drop ship delivery services, curbside delivery services. We can do whatever. You're right. So you don't have to be local to come see us. You can call us and be here with us.
Make sure to come back to our shop videos where we do full unboxings and much more. So like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.